Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I've pulled the eggplant out of these two tubs, was finished, and nothing in that one. So now we're down to harvesting the turmeric and the ginger, and that's what this video is going to be on. It's October 18th. It was 40 degrees this morning. It has been low 40s every morning for the last few days, and looks like it's going to continue. And as you look at the ginger and the turmeric, they're pretty much finished. So it's time to get them out, because I've got some cabbage plants that says this weather is wonderful and they would just love to be in this spot. This has been a good spot for me to do turmeric and ginger in the summer, and then cabbages and cauliflower in the winter. So I'm going to start chopping all this stuff out, and we'll start seeing what kind of a harvest we have. Alright, this was the last one that I planted. They got a little lizard there. So, not too bad for the first pull, huh? Nice looking stuff. There's the piece I planted to start with. It looks like it's still in really good shape. So there's another piece I planted to start with. And I find that it's all right on top. It doesn't go anywhere. Digging down doesn't get you anything. I think this one may be turmeric. Boy, is that beautiful or what? Yeah, turmeric. Boy, is that beautiful. Is that beautiful. We use more ginger than we do turmeric, but we use it all. We even grind the turmeric up and it goes in with the dog food. Helps with the inflammation on the old guys. We take it every day. Whew. Wow, how about that? Boy, oh boy. Some good looking stuff here. And some more. That one didn't do much. On to this one. really beautiful ginger. It's always strictly a surface item. When we get the dirt washed off, this is going to be some more incredible turmeric. Oh, I love the smell. There's one of the starters. There's some more ginger. Oh boy.